Bridge to open channel 3. All units stand by. 1 Baker 11 in pursuit. Westbound Ocean Boulevard against traffic. Unit 10 and 1 Baker 5, 10-4, stand by on Ocean.
And I just got a report from one of our mobile units a moment ago. A big police chase started right here at the KFOX studios. You stay tuned to 1280, Constant Country KFOX for that report.
Attention all units, special attention Carson units. Long Beach PD is in pursuit, northbound Harbor Freeway from the Vincent Thomas Bridge. The suspect's vehicle is a 1973 Mustang, yellow in color, license number of 614 Henry Sam Ocean.
Color, California license 614 Henry Sam Ocean. One occupant, male Caucasian, approximately age 45, 6 feet, 185 pounds. Gray hair and mustache, gray coat, black pants. Reason for pursuit unknown. All units stand by.
Approaching the city of Carson.
Units involved in the pursuit. Highway patrol helicopter en route.
Collision with suspect vehicle 73 Mustang westbound 600 block Ocean Boulevard against traffic. Male white 40-45, 6 feet, 175 pounds, gray hair, gray sports coat, black trousers. TAs have occurred.
Air Unit 31, you're 1020.
Air 31 over the Queen Mary. We have approximately 12 minutes of fuel left. We'll have to fuel shortly.
Now, I told you a moment ago that our mobile unit had joined in to give us a report about a police chase that started right here at the studios at KFOX. Well, I just got a call a moment ago, and Cal in the Flying Fox has just now taxied for takeoff at the Long Beach airport. And he'll be flying to the scene of this chase, and we'll be getting reports from both Cal and John in just a moment right here on Constant Country KFOX. Now, listen to this.
I like it.